Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're looking at a unique vacuum cleaner that brings together 4 essential cleaning functions into one versatile machine. Meet the Ewbank EPV1100 4-in-1 floor cleaner, scrubber, polisher, and vacuum. It's designed to give you everything you need to tackle your home's cleaning needs without switching between multiple devices. With its sleek red finish and a 23-foot power cord, this vacuum stands out with its multifunctional capabilities. Let's take a closer look at what this all-in-one device really has to offer. The Ewbank EPV1100 isn't just another vacuum, it's a complete cleaning system. As the name suggests, it combines 4 uses in one. It functions as a vacuum, scrubber, polisher, and floor cleaner. But how does it perform in each of these areas? Let's break it down. Suction power is an essential feature for any vacuum, and the Ewbank doesn't disappoint. The 780-watt cyclonic motor provides consistent suction, efficiently picking up dirt, debris, and even fine dust from both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Whether you're cleaning hardwood or tiles, the performance is solid, delivering on the promise of thorough cleaning. The high-performance HEPA filter also ensures that fine dust particles and allergens are trapped, making this a solid option for allergy sufferers. However, it's important to note that while it works well on low to medium pile carpets, it might not be as effective on deep, plush carpets, where suction power can sometimes fall short. The multifunctionality is where the Ewbank EPV1100 really shines. It converts from a vacuum to a polisher or scrubber in seconds. This is done by detaching the vacuum head and switching to either the scrubber or the polisher pads, which helps save time and energy. The 2,200 RPM contra-rotating discs are great for scrubbing floors clean without excessive effort. Whether you're tackling grime in the kitchen or polishing the floors for a shiny finish, this machine handles it with ease. The convenience of being able to switch between these functions without having to stop and change machines is definitely one of its major selling points. The 23-foot power cord gives you a decent amount of reach for most rooms, though for larger spaces or areas far from an outlet, you may need an extension cord. One thing to consider is the weight and maneuverability of the device. At 10 pounds, it's on the heavier side for a handheld cleaner, which could be a factor if you're planning on using it for longer cleaning sessions or on stairs. But the telescopic handle and butterfly grip make it easier to handle and more comfortable for extended use. Plus, the integrated cable storage helps keep everything neat when you're finished. In terms of attachments, the Ewbank EPV1100 is well equipped for a variety of cleaning tasks. It includes 2 nylon bristle scrubbing brushes, 2 hook and loop backing plates, 3 pairs of microfiber cleaning and polishing pads, and a vacuum head. These accessories make it easy to clean a range of surfaces, from delicate floors to tough spots in the kitchen. The microfiber pads, in particular, are reusable, which saves you money on disposable pads and is a nice eco-friendly touch. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up the Ewbank EPV1100 is simple. Once you've attached the necessary components, you're ready to go. In testing, it handled fine dust and crumbs on hard floors with ease, picking up every speck without leaving any residue behind. The scrubber and polisher functions worked well too. The contra-rotating discs made quick work of grime and provided a nice shine without too much effort. Cleaning carpets, especially when it comes to pet hair, is decent but not spectacular. It performs better on shorter carpets and rugs, but when it comes to thick or long pile carpet, the suction power may leave some debris behind. When it comes to maneuvering around furniture, the design of the Ewbank EPV1100 is fairly compact. The low profile allows it to glide easily under most furniture, though, like any vacuum, it may struggle with tight spaces or areas with low clearance. The attachments, particularly the vacuum head, make it easier to clean stairs and upholstery, though they may require a bit more effort when dealing with pet hair or long strands of hair. One thing that might annoy some users is the noise level. It's not the quietest model out there, especially when using the vacuum function. While it's not deafening, it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise while cleaning. In terms of value for money, the Ewbank EPV1100 offers a lot of functionality for its price. It's a 4-in-1 cleaner, meaning you're getting multiple machines rolled into one. It's an especially great option for those who have a variety of cleaning needs, whether it's polishing, scrubbing, or vacuuming. For smaller homes or apartments, the compact design and multifunctionality make it a great space saver. However, it might not be the best option for larger homes with thick carpets, where a more powerful vacuum might be required. If you're considering alternatives, a few similar products on the market include the Hoover React or the Bissell Crosswave. The Hoover React offers more advanced smart technology, including a self-propelling design, which might make it easier to maneuver, but it lacks the same versatility of the Ewbank. On the other hand, the Bissell Crosswave combines vacuuming and washing, but it doesn't offer the same scrubbing and polishing capabilities. If you're mainly looking for a vacuum with solid all-around performance, those might be options worth exploring. When it comes to build quality, the Ewbank EPV1100 feels solid in your hands, with durable materials used for the telescopic handle and vacuum components. The hose and brush roll are sturdy, and the attachments feel well built, though they can feel a little on the plastic side. Maintenance is simple, with easy-to-clean microfiber pads and a washable filter. But the bristles on the scrubber brushes may require more frequent attention if you're using them on tough grime. In terms of longevity, it's hard to say how it will hold up in the long run, since it's a fairly new model. However, based on the build quality and the reputation of the Ewbank brand, it's reasonable to expect that this vacuum will last a while with proper care. Customer support is something that's often overlooked, but it's worth mentioning here. While there haven't been widespread reports of major issues with the Ewbank EPV1100, it's always good to know that the brand offers reliable support if you run into problems. Their customer service team has a reputation for responsiveness, so if something were to go wrong, you can expect decent support. To wrap things up, the Ewbank EPV1100 is a versatile, multifunctional cleaner that does a great job in several key areas, from vacuuming to scrubbing to polishing. It's perfect for smaller spaces and homes that need a compact yet effective cleaning solution. However, for larger homes with deep carpets, or those looking for top-tier suction, it may not be the ideal choice. Still, for the price, it offers solid value, especially if you're after a space-saving, all-in-one solution for multiple cleaning tasks. If you're considering making the switch, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a review. And if you've already got the Ewbank EPV1100 or any other vacuum cleaner that you love, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an adventure. Catch you in the next review right here on Reviews Inside TV.